Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best hidden GPS trackers on Amazon. GPS trackers won't just prevent the permanent theft of your vehicle, but they are also a good solution if you need to monitor the driving habits of an employee, your teenage child, or an elderly family member. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Landircia 54 Magnetic GPS Tracker. The Landircia 54 has a tiny footprint and is easily one of the smallest GPS trackers available in the market. Despite its diminutive dimensions, however, this tracker packs a lot of features that make it worthy of attention. It has a built-in magnet for easy installation, as well as a tough waterproof case to protect the device from anything, should you decide to install it under your vehicle to keep it maximally hidden from view. Impressively, this tiny tracker offers additional features that one won't typically find on other trackers in the same price range, including route playback, proximity alerts, and arrival departure notifications. One drawback to the device is that while the battery lasts a respectable 4 to 5 days, you'll need 12 hours to charge it from 0 to full. Number 2. Spytek GPS Tracker for vehicles. If you're on a budget but want something that ticks a lot of boxes, then check out the Spytek GL300 GPS Tracker. You can get location updates from your vehicle via the Spytek app, as well as information like speed, distance traveled, and more. Spytek boasts that their cloud-based service is both user-friendly and reliable, as well as a 99.99% uptime. The GPS tracker is small and discreet at 1 inch thick and 3 inches on its longest side, and the battery is rated to last 2.5 weeks between charging. Additionally, Spytek offers 24/7 support and a lifetime warranty for customers who get an active subscription. One complaint about the device is that GPS tracking can become wonky when the vehicle is in a rural area. Another is that the package doesn't include a SIM card, so you'll have to buy one separately. Number 3. Brickhouse Security Spark Nano. The Brickhouse Security Spark Nano is a great option for live tracking your vehicle because of its ability to connect to 4G LTE. It's one of the smallest trackers available, allowing you to track more than just your car. Its rechargeable battery can provide 15 hours of live tracking or last 15 days on standby mode. You can set up the device to do continuous monitoring or program it to send information at regular intervals to save on data expenses. It has a geofencing feature that can alert you every time your vehicle goes beyond a predefined boundary that you've set on a map, and the manufacturer claims the device will work anywhere in North America, Canada, and Mexico. Number 4. Optimus 2.0 GPS Tracker. The Optimus 2.0 comes with a GPS tracker and a twin magnet case. You only have to set it up with the iPhone or Android app and hide the tracker in a backpack or use the magnet case to attach it to the metal parts of your vehicle. You will get email and text message reports every 30 seconds when it's in motion, and you can customize this to 10-second reports. It gives alerts on speeding, when the tracker is entering or exiting a location, or when the battery is low. Since it has an SOS button, you can use it as a safety tool where your teen or an elderly person can alert you in case they need you to track them. Also, you don't have to worry about constantly recharging it since the battery can go for a week on a single full charge. Number 5. Bouncy GPS Tracker. The Bouncy GPS Tracker gives updates on your vehicle's location every 15 seconds when it's in motion. It gives you access to addresses and routes, and you can zoom in or out for better viewing. Using the phone app, you can draw geo-circles anywhere on the map, and you will get an alert every time the tracker enters or leaves the location. Since it installs in your car's OBD2 port, it can also be used to monitor your vehicle's health and gives you alerts on maintenance problems. It can also interpret diagnostic trouble codes when they pop up and give you a simple description of what they mean. On top of that, in case your vehicle gets stuck on the road, you can request Bouncy to contact local service shops for help, be it a tow truck, an extra battery, or fuel at no additional charge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.